And here is the last looking start of this really nice Toro model 20334 electric start that I got as a moving sale. Really cleaned up, very nice. With the Briggs & Stratton 7.25 gross torque engine, 190cc. Just in beautiful condition. I did swap the bag here with another Toro that I had. This bag on here was well worn. Just keep the newer one with this. One thing I like to look at after cleaning these is any kind of surface rust. You generally can see it around here where the side chute is, but it's very clean. And it has the electric start, which is nice. It actually works. Can't tell you how many mowers that I've gotten that it didn't work, and or they didn't have the charger. I also tightened this Personal Pace cable. This Personal Pace was very slow for the self-propel, leaving a little tension in there. And this Personal Pace on this electric start Toro, this tension needs to be adjusted. This cable is way too loose. This Personal Pace is not working like it should. So it's a matter of loosening this bolt here, 7/16, and pushing this cable down. This bolt is also holding the electric key start here. And once you get that 7/16 inch bolt loose, you can push this cable down. And we don't want to get this too tight, or you stretch it, so we'll get a little tension, and that should be about right. See if this Personal Pace is now corrected. A little slack, and it's working great now. And of course it makes the cable stick out a little bit, but there's a lot of adjustment in there. Very nice condition. Excuse the shadow here. Haven't changed the oil in this yet. It looked like it was really clean. He said it was changed in early spring. Did sharpen this blade. It was in really good condition. Original spark plug looks like. Put an edge on this blade here and it was in balance. Didn't have to take any metal off to make it in balance. And we're first going to disconnect the spark plug boot. We've turned it on its side. Always keep it carburetor side up. And now let's get the blade off here. And we have the blade tool on. This is a 5/8 inch bolt. Let's see if we can get this loose. Don't think it's ever been off before. And this blade looks really good that came off here. I doubt that it's ever been sharpened. No nick on that side. It's a little one here. But we'll put a little bit of an edge on here and make sure it's in balance. Blade's in really good shape. Put a little bit of an edge on it. And it was in balance. Didn't have to take any metal off. I put some anti-seize on this bolt. It was really hard to get off. Very clean underneath. No real surface rust here. Just still got some dried, built up grass clippings that didn't come off with the first wash, as you can see, but in very nice condition. Their yard was Bermuda grass, pretty much like a lot of these new homes and lawns. Just a really nice Toro Personal Pace 2012 model. And of course it has the lever where you can, this is in mulch mode now, flip this lever and it'll go into, you can bag with it. I pretty much mulch. Now I don't bag any. Just a really nice lawnmower, just as if you brought it out of a box almost to me to get something this nice. With electric start again. So let's tie this handle back and give it an electric start. This mower starts just as easy with a rope as it does with this key, but since I feel like this is a luxury model, we're going to use a key on this. So here we go. Here goes the key. How about that? Better today.